What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Math. At the time of recording, it's Wednesday, May 20th, 2026 at 6:45 in the PM. And today we're back in Rochester. As many of you know, recently a photo was leaked from this location of a new heritage unit for the MBTA. So you know the flying camera isn't very far behind. We tend not to have good luck when we come down here finding what we're looking for, but it's always interesting to see what's here regardless. As we arrive at the shop area, the first units we see are 7750 and 3247, both waiting for their turn at rebuild. Rolling Stock Solutions F40PH4C number 1002 is also still here. A lot of you also seem to believe that the paintwork has begun on 1072, and we can see here that is not the case. We also have the MBTA's office cars outside today. The Constitution, Minuteman, and Mayflower. I'm beginning to wonder if we'll ever see that South Coast Rail wrap outside of Rochester again. And because it's been a little bit since we've flown in from this direction, we're going to check out some cars on the siding. Some of the luckier cars here will get a second chance at life. The former coaches for the scenic train for the Cape Cod Central Railroad have been in very poor condition for quite some time now. Next to this former Amtrak material handling car, we find a boxcar that still has its roof walk. Not something you see every day now. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up our evening look at Rochester here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.